Okay, my friends, here it is. In this unfortunate video that I have to make, I'm going to show you exactly how the AI is now destroying your garden. And I'm going to show you exactly how it's happening, and then I'll show you examples of it actually happening, okay? So I have to say, I didn't think it was going to, I knew it was coming, but I didn't think it was going to happen this fast, all right? So let us get into it, and I think I'm going to show you something that a lot of you are not aware of. So I came across this reel the other day after feeling like things were off in the online gardening community and seeing a bunch of really off videos the past 4 to 6 months. Now I'm diving deeper into it and uncovered what is really going on. So here it is.
Gosh, this is getting really scary. I just used AI to make a really dumb, faceless AI YouTube video, and YouTube paid me $24,000.
Okay, so the guy says he made a dumb, he knows it's dumb and pointless, faceless AI video that got 6.4 million views, and it paid him $24,000. Okay, so now that's a lot for a video of that size, but I know that that's possible. Now imagine, I just want you to have a scope of the incentive to people. Okay, he made one video that made him $24,000. Okay, so there's massive incentive here. Now listen.
It only took me 30 minutes to put this video together, so here's exactly how.
It only took him 30 minutes to put the video together. It takes a real creator hours or days to make a video.
First, you need to pick a niche that gets millions of views. Then what you're going to do is go to one of their most popular videos, especially if it's more recent. Go to the description of their video, click on show transcript like so. Go over here and then click these 3 dots right here. This is their entire script. You're going to copy their entire script all the way down. Then you're going to go to Google Gemini.
You're going to copy their entire script all the way down. Now, what do you think is next? You go to their best performing videos, copy their script, and then what?
You're going to go to this website. You're going to type this prompt right here, reword this YouTube competitor script to make it better, then paste the script of the competitor script and press enter. Now it's going to rewrite the entire script to make it your own that you can now use.
Take this competitor's script and make it better. And so you've got the compelling nature of the AI. It doesn't matter if it's factual. It doesn't matter if it's based in real world. None of that matters anymore, guys. We are entering Twilight Zone fantasy land with all of this kind of stuff. So now the AI is going to know exactly what is compelling for the people to hear. Doesn't matter if it's factual or based in the real world. All that matters is that it's engaging. It pulls you in. That's all that matters. And so you've got a super intelligence that understands human behavior, tweaking the scripts that people like me have to generate creatively. Let's move on.
Now copy the script and head over to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI narration voiceover software, very easy to use, hundreds of voices that you can pick from. Just paste the script and it'll create an AI voiceover that you can download.
Okay, so the next step is you just take your stolen script and then you go to 11 Labs and you've got hundreds of different voices to choose from. Now, so many of you guys don't even understand that you're watching total AI slop, inaccurate AI generated content. The voice is AI. All of it is. And I will show you a couple examples of actual gardening ones that are crushing it, absolutely crushing it. Hundreds of thousands of views, millions of views, just like that in weeks. Because it's specifically tailored to be engaging.
Then head over to Fiverr. Now Fiverr, you can search faceless video editor. There's hundreds of people that are selling their services for very cheap, $10, $40, $70 a video, depends on the quality you want.
Okay, so you use Fiverr, okay? And then you have someone just piece it together for $10, $20, $30, not a problem. Use a bunch of AI generated slop images. And then you go back to Gemini and steal the thumbnail. Look.
Then you want to go back to Google Gemini and you can actually send it your competitor thumbnail and you can ask it to remake the thumbnail to be custom for you. And you can see in seconds, I'm pretty much a professional thumbnail designer at this point.
I'm pretty much a professional thumbnail designer at this point. Ha ha ha. No, you're not. You're stealing everybody's content. Ha ha.
Simply, you upload these videos consistently and they make money. I tried this out, made that one video make over $24,000. And I was like, is this a fluke? Is it fake? And then I did it again and it worked. And then I did it again, and then I did it again. Now I have hundreds of videos making me thousands of dollars.
Now I have hundreds of videos making me thousands of dollars. Okay, well that's great. So guys, this is what you're seeing now, all right? This is what countless people are doing. And to prove the point, we're just going to jump on to my home feed, which is it used to be full of real creators like myself and Gardener Scott and Tony from Simplify Gardening and Gary Pilarchik and M.I. Gardener, all of the actual people. Now it is filled, as you will see in a moment, with just AI generated slop that's crushing it better than any of our channels are doing whatsoever. Okay, so let's just roll with me for a minute, okay? And leave your thoughts in the comment. Are you guys into this? Are you guys perfectly fine with this or what? Even though there's no accountability, nobody has to actually say something real. The AI just says it and goes right over it and oh, it's engaging, haha. Let's go. Okay, here's one. Sydney Explains, okay? 648,000 views 3 months ago, all right? Look, AI generated image, all these people in the crops, that's not real. Okay, another probably AI generated image. If not, it's a stock image. It's stolen from somebody or whatever. Here's another AI generated image. And most old schoolers, most of the people, they don't even realize another AI generated image. This never happened. None of this happened. This script is stolen from somewhere. Look, winter stock. Ooh, fake image, guys. Okay, so here's another channel. Look, we're just going to go right from the suggested feeds channel. Okay, here's one, Forgotten Roots, 425,000 views 12 days ago. Okay, now, guys, these kind of metrics are unbelievable. And if you listen to the voice, it's just the AI voice. Listen, now here's another one, Outlawed Harvest. And we're just going right from the suggested one right after the other. Outlawed Harvest, look at that picture okay? So let me just let you listen to this.
The USDA. What if I told you that while most farmers are breaking their backs growing crops that barely make a profit, there are people quietly getting rich growing plants that sell for $40, $60, even $80 per pound?
Okay, 14 profitable plants that will make you a millionaire. Okay, that kind of clickbait, super insane title that will make you a millionaire that nobody's growing. Ooh, the government's suppressing. See, they use these titles that's all super clickbaity, and it's working. AI images, clickbaity titles, stolen scripts, and people are just eating it up. 417,000 views 1 month ago. Okay? Why is this superfood kept a secret? Oh, everyone's trying to hide something from you, okay? Why is it hidden? Seeds of Time. Here's one, 200,000 views 1 month ago. Why it's hidden. Everything's hidden from you, and we've got the secret that your government's trying to ban from you and all that. Look, AI generated image. Guys, and I'm not even trying. I'm just going from the home feed, okay? That's all. Look, this is also seniors gardening, okay? Just some kind of slop images, and guys, this is where we are at now, okay? So what is the incentive for someone like me to continue making videos when it's just stolen? When the script is stolen and my video that actually has my real world life experience that took me a lifetime to understand. Look, we'll just keep going on. 94,000 views 1 month ago. Feed your family forever. Okay, so it took me a lifetime to understand this stuff. And now the AI just steals it all and gives it to you in some sloppy format. I've seen all kinds of garbage from these, okay? So hold on. Look, Golden Seniors Living, 451,000 views in a month. All these AI generated images. And especially they're going after the older people that don't understand yet that this is all fake. Now, why is this a huge issue besides really sticking it to the content creators, the actual human beings? Because I see in here tons of whack information, all right? Tons of whack information, but it doesn't matter because the AI just says it and goes right over it. And there's nobody, you don't have to look at anybody in the eye. What I say here, I'm accountable for it. A faceless channel full of that's an AI script, no one's accountable for anything, okay? But you're still making bank doing it. So guys, it's, I'm a little bit irritated and I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna look moving forward with the content, okay? Especially because, look at this, in my own Discord chat, all right? In my own Discord chat that I started that I definitely think is gonna get shut down soon, the one of our people shared this. Argyle said, NateBot 1.0 was very limited. I had a little time today, so I'm starting NateBot 2.0. When I'm done in the next few weeks, I'll have you ask me some questions. Talking about Argyle, him. Now look, he posted a picture transcribing every one of my live streams and training his AI bot. Okay? So I get it, guys. I put the content out there and stuff, but it's just not supposed to be like this. This is not how it was. Okay? Do you guys think that this is perfectly normal? It's just, this is just supply and demand, and they're just, doing what, nothing wrong with it. Do you see anything wrong with it? Or I'm interested in your thoughts moving forward. Okay? But the thing is that I'm not finding the incentive to continue the actual work of creating the content so that people can then steal it like that and then absolutely crush all the metrics of my channel. I've not had any videos do anything like these videos are doing, because I've got the constraints of the real world. I'm an actual person and I don't script my videos. So I just shoot from the hip, my life experience. So guys, what I'm saying is I'm thinking that the content, if I keep making any, is going to change a lot. It's just going to have to be what can the AI not steal? So they can't steal the human experience. They can't steal the story of the human being. And so a lot's changing around here. Camille and Tegan just moved in. So we're starting a family here, and we're going to be out of here in 3 years. And so we've got 3 years to make it happen, to search for the land, to acquire the land, and to move. All of that, guys. And then we're going to build the homestead and stuff. It's all happening. Okay. So what it's going to be like, I think, is more a story. I'm just going to have to show you the experience of being a human being. We're not using AI on the channel. We're not going to do AI NateBot 2.7 and all that kind of stuff. And my AI avatar, we're just not doing that. Okay, there's not going to be that here. So yeah, I use it for my business to show me how to do things. I use it as a useful tool. Human beings are tool users. That is our superpower, is adaptation and tool using. So it's no surprise that people are using these, and it sounds like I'm hating on them, but I'm not really, because there's the incentive. Why not? If you're going to make $24,000 on one little video that you hijacked, so go for it, But that's just not how we roll, and that's not how we're going to do it moving forward. So here, especially now that things are getting real here and we're achieving our goals, and we've got the courses, we've got the money engine is just starting to happen that is going to finance the land and stuff. I'm going to take you guys on that journey. I just don't feel like making how-to videos that everyone can just steal. So I don't know exactly what the content's going to look like, but it's not going to be AI slop. I can tell you that much for sure. Okay? So there's my rant on that, guys. I hope that you gain something from the video. Maybe some of you think I'm totally out of left field, but this is my profession. Okay? This is my passion. This is my craft. This is my livelihood. Okay? But so when you're getting invaded by it, I didn't think it would be so fast. So let me know, guys. Are you seeing this in places? What do you think? Is it just perfectly fine? Backyard Bill, that's another one of the channels, the secret Amish ways that are, the government's trying to suppress from you, these 10 illegal soil blends, clickbait. And I'm seeing people sharing this stuff and they have no idea. Well, look, here's what the Amish do to water their gardens. No, it's not. Okay. This is all phantasmal, made up slop. Some real things involved in there, yes. But, guys, stuff is changing. It's insane. So, there's my rant on that. If you guys would like to understand from a real human being how to grow your garden and to be part of a community where we will not be sharing AI anything, then you can join the Viking growing system, which is a course, but it's also a community, the ongoing community. Several hundred members already. It's only going to be growing. If you've got questions, that's where I'm focusing my efforts. I'm not focusing my efforts answering questions in the comments and stuff. People just steal it all, So vikinggrowingsystem.com. There's a link right in the description. I will show you the ideal way to grow all of your own food for the least amount of work input. You will be shocked at how easy it is to have a thriving garden. This year, I'm talking this year. You don't got to wait for 2 years down the road. The course will show you how to take any place and turn it into a productive garden now, this year, okay? For very little work. So, and then we've got the private community, which is an ongoing support system. If you've got questions, you need my guidance, or you need someone's, lots of experienced gardeners in there. It's just wonderful. So real humans are there, okay? So I will see you guys in the Real Human Outpost, okay?